my name is Sebastian Reitinger. I am here in the Vmsiihe Institute of International Hospitality Management, teacher of food production. What you see today here is our assignment for the International Cuisines semester, which we have nearly finished. So students organized this event according to the countries we have gone through. They have created menus, they have done food trials and set up this event for you here, and it's created beautiful food.
My name is Raia. I'm from the second year Culinary Arts program, and here we have organized the International Food Festival. So this is about celebrating food from various cultures. So we have the Asian stall, we have African, we have the Middle Eastern, we have Central and South America. So what we've tried to do is we've tried to bring many cultures together and try to do many fusion of dishes. We've been preparing for this event for the past 2 weeks and it looks like a success.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.